Hey, Art 3. What we'll do today is we're just going to basically mess around with our watercolor pencils. And I'm getting mine out from my noisy plastic bag just now. And we messed around, we played around with these last class and you added water to them, and I hope you had some fun with that. The cool thing about watercolor pencils is you could still use them as just regular color pencils. So it's kind of like a 2-for-1 deal. You can use them dry and you can use them wet. Now, I wanted us just to go over some basic color pencil techniques, one of which is just color mixing. So we'll do a quick color wheel. Just take some scratch paper. You could even do this on binder paper if you wanted. And I'm going to turn this into a color wheel quickly. I'm going to cut it in half. Okay, I have a circle, I'll cut it in half. And then I will cut each of those halves into thirds. Okay, so I'm gonna have 6 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I'll cut those down as well, each of those in half. So I have 12, well, not equal, but I have 12 pieces of this color wheel pizza, okay? And I'm going to start labeling this. I'll just do the primary color, so I'll do red, and then I'll skip, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll skip 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3, and then that'll be yellow. Okay, I'll skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and that should be blue. Okay, great, great, great. And then let's do the other one. So between red and yellow will be orange. Okay, between blue and yellow, you got it, it's green. Between blue and red, it's purple. And then, there's like the tertiary colors. So between red and orange will be red, orange. Between orange and yellow will be yellow, orange. Between yellow and green will be yellow, green, blue, green, blue, purple, and then red, purple. I'm sorry I didn't give you a color wheel. I didn't know we were going to be doing this. So easily enough, like we could color in just quickly some of the colors that we already have. Like we already have this reddish kind of color. All right. I'll take the darker blue I could find, which is this, and I'll go in for the blue. Okay, I can do the yellow. I can do the green. I can do the orange. And then I'm basically out. We have like a yellow green, so we can come in and do that one. But for color mixing, there's a rule that I like to live by when I'm figuring out my colors, which is when I'm working with a material and I need to mix colors, I try to work from either light or dark to light. I have to kind of figure it out. With oil pastels, I always work from dark to light. With colored pencils, I always work from light to dark, and I'll show you why. If I wanted to mix yellow orange, and I'm like, cool, let me get some orange, and then let me go and try and mix some yellow on top of it. I didn't make much of a difference there because the lighter colors tend to be weaker. The darker colors block them out. So I kind of need to attack the paper first with some of the yellow if it's going to have any chance of kind of shining through and creating yellow-orange. There we go, that's better. Okay, see, that creates much better yellow-orange than that. That's just basically still orange. So the key is to work from light to dark. And I know we don't have like the most fantastic, elegant array of color pencils here, but we can still do some pretty good color mixing here. So let's go ahead and just fill in the rest of our color wheel by working from light to dark.